Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're driving the Supra and we're waiting on Jordyn with the Elantra N to pull up. We're not only going to go to Mexico with the two vehicles in an AI simulation, but we're also going to have Jordyn drive the Supra. This is his first time seeing it, and I'm curious to see how this car does versus his, and I'm also curious to see what his reaction would be like driving this car. So we're going to wait for him to pull up, and then I'll catch you guys when he's here. All right guys, Jordyn just pulled up with the Elantra N. We're going to take the Supra out and see what you think of it. Are you excited?
Yeah. I've always wanted to drive a B858 engine, so...
A B858?
B58.
I'm just playing. This is the fastest form. Oh. We got a... What was that, a Scat Pack?
Yeah.
We should... I know exactly. On a 40-year-old. But yeah, this is the fastest B58 vehicle you can buy as of right now. So... I guess it'll be interesting to see what you think, and also how you fit in it, because you're also pretty tall like me. So
I mean, if you could fit, I could probably fit.
All right, well, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, we are sitting in the Supra. Jordyn's in the driver's seat.
Yep.
I guess we can get rocking and rolling.
Good old startup. Oh yeah, yeah. The downpipe and exhaust definitely helped that.
Yeah.
Probably sounds good without them though. I mean, who knows? I mean,
yeah, I think they sound pretty good stock.
Yeah, I think stock they sound better than like the M340 and the Beamer equivalent, just because the Beamers are more luxurious compared to Toyota.
Yeah, Toyota. Yeah, it's a Toyota. This one shifts like really early.
Oh, it does shift. Dang, we're in fifth gear at 20 miles an hour.
Oh, that shifts really early. That's probably how they get such good fuel economy.
I know. Is there no way to adjust that? Can you like not adjust it to like a more aggressive shift point?
Oh, there's a big ass pothole in the street right there. You can put it in sport mode. Like, this just has two modes. It's literally sport or just normal.
Normal.
So it makes it simple.
So yeah, we'll do it in sport and see how. Yeah, because like we're in fourth gear at like 15 miles an hour.
Don't turn off your auto start stop as well.
That's crazy.
My last time riding passenger over here was when the previous owner had it, like, and I was riding with him like 3 years ago.
3 years ago. That was when you had your GT, your 2020 GT, and you had your Golf R.
I raced them later on when I had the Golf R. Yeah.
That was after we met.
Yep.
And that was on your low torque tune.
91 low torque. So depending on how this car does versus your car will determine how your Elantra N would do versus my Golf R with the stage 1 low torque.
Yeah, because it did do the same 60 to 130.
Yeah.
Low torque.
The stage 1 low torque literally added maybe like 20 horsepower. It was like barely anything, but it was a little bit quicker. And
I think to the wheel stock, I think they're around the mid 290s. So you probably were making like 310 to 320.
Yeah, maybe somewhere around there.
Yeah, it definitely feels smooth.
Yeah, like it's like, even though it's like really tight in here and like not great visibility and stuff, with how smooth and nice and stuff it is, it's good for daily driving too.
It's probably, that's why it probably has such great gas mileage compared to like my car. My car has probably worse gas mileage than this car because I think the transmission is a big part of it.
Yeah.
Because like we're in 7th gear at 30 miles an hour. My car would never even see that. It'd be in like, still be in 3rd gear at 70 miles an hour. Or 30 miles an hour.
And the B58 is very efficient. Like, it's a very fuel efficient engine. Yeah. Even in the big SUVs, it's fuel efficient.
So we'll switch into sport.
Okay.
Gets a little bit of a...
Now you're in sport mode. That's when you get all the burbles and stuff.
Yeah, so does it have a valved exhaust?
Yeah, I think so. But I don't really notice a huge difference between normal and sport other than the burbles, but yeah, it does have a valved exhaust.
Yeah, see, it has better shift points. It does sound good though.
The exhaust is a little bit loud, so it kind of rattles the interior a little bit.
Oh yeah, I hear it.
Yeah.
Does sound good though.
Got some little burbles.
I know. And
that burbles more than the M2 does.
Inline 6 does sound really good.
You can get on a little bit if you want.
Oh, it has a little burps when it shifts. So we'll do that again, but we'll manual downshift. See that torque.
Yep. So if you manually downshift and drive, it'll still upshift for you.
Even before you push the gas? Or like...
No, I'm saying like it'll upshift if you hit the red line.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But
okay,
if manual mode, it's full manual. And that's just popping the shifter over to the left.
And that's mine too. You have to, so like the best way to do it is, downshift and auto, and then once you get up to the red line, it'll auto shift.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to worry about knocking the shifter over.
Right. The transit's pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it feels right. Way better. That's why, so like with my car, that's why I kind of like staying in manual mode. When I daily it, I stay in manual mode and I shift myself, because when it's an auto, it shifts too high for my liking and it kind of feels a little bit more jerky. So when I'm in manual mode, it's a lot smoother. So that's what I love about this transmission. It's just dailyable compared to a DCT, but DCTs have always been jerky no matter what car you're driving in.
Yeah, Audi does a pretty good job of making it smooth, like Audi, Volkswagen, but they're still, you know, you can still tell it's a DCT.
Oh yeah, the clunkiness, especially in lower gears and stuff. Yeah, it's so smooth. It doesn't even jerk.
Yeah, that's what I like about the ZF8. It's just such a smooth transmission.
All right, so let's do a 40 and downshift. Oh yeah, you can tell it's trying to get traction.
Yeah. But it's not too bad, huh?
No, it's not too bad.
And it's cold as heck outside right now.
I know, it is.
The tires are not warm. These are on stock Pilot Super Sports, by the way.
Let me see. I don't think it. No, let's say. Is there a way to like shift the paddles to where it goes back into auto mode, or do you have to just wait?
Hold the upshift paddle. Yeah, there you go. And that's
Mine's both. Mine's weird.
Oh, you have to hold both. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's interesting.
What I just found out in my car, which I never noticed it because I never researched it that much about it, but if I, like, when we do rolls, if I hold down the downshift paddle, it'll keep auto shifting down to the right gear for that speed.
Oh, that's weird. It doesn't go straight to the gear?
No,
Oh, wow.
So like I can shift it down, but once I hit it, if I release it, it'll downshift, but if I just push it and hold it, it'll go from like 4th to 2nd if we're in a 40 roll. Kind of cool, but that's what the NGS button does. It just auto shifts to the right gear anyway, but...
How does the like handling and stuff feel? Because this is similar weight to your car. It's about, oh, actually not similar weight. It's about 100 pounds or 150 pounds heavier.
Yeah, it feels good. It definitely feels really agile, and it just, because of how low it is to the ground, it just, I feel like it's a lot better feeling than my car.
Yeah, I mean, it's more of like, you know, like a sports car driving experience, right?
Yeah.
How does the power feel?
Honestly, my car feels a little bit faster.
It feels faster.
From the 40,
all right.
From the 40.
All right.
I don't know how the 60 would go. With my car, with the 40, my car just pushes you back.
Oh,
And I think that's just how it is with the 40. Because, you know, with the 40s, I'm like,
yeah,
I'm just ahead of everybody.
I did mention that I think it would be a good race on the 40 roll, because I do know that your car does do good at 40.
Yeah.
But we had traction on, so maybe the reason why it didn't hit as hard is because traction was on, because it was mitigating the spin.
Yeah.
Because like my M2, for example, if it's an MDM or traction on, you get like none of the power till you get to like 80 or 90 miles an hour, because it's just stopping the spin the whole time.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So I don't know if this car's the same, still learning it. Obviously, I've only had it for a few days, but yeah, we'll have to test that that thought. You hear the intake too?
Oh, yeah.
Yep, this car has an intake, a catted downpipe, and a catback exhaust.
I will say though, it's funny because like with the stuff it has done to it, my car, I feel like, now it doesn't sound better because you can't, you're comparing 4-cylinder to inline 6, but I love how much more burbles and pops my car has.
Yeah.
This kind of feels like it's trying to get the pops and burbles out, but it's like getting choked up a little bit.
Okay.
I'm just so used to pop, so like I'm expecting, like with this car, I'm expecting like a, you know.
Yeah, this car actually pops more than the M2. The M2 mainly just burbles.
Yeah.
So for me, it seems like it pops a lot.
Oh, there you go. That was a good pop.
Yeah, I'll still throw a little pop out there.
Yeah, it feels really good.
What do you think?
I like it.
It's a nice little car.
I've always like secretly wanted to be Supra. So this is park. Oh yeah, that's right here.
Oh yeah. See, since it's used, it's okay.
I was like, it looks like a flag.
I know.
And this is the parking brake. Yeah.
Yep.
I'm so happy I don't have that.
The electronic parking
I had
brake?
that with my SI and it was so annoying.
Oh.
But yeah, it feels amazing. I like the dash.
Well, guys, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna take this car and that one out to Mexico for an AI simulation, and that's gonna be really fun.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Jordyn thinks he's gonna beat me on a 40 roll.
40 is gonna be close.
Well, that car feels faster at 40. Well, we'll see.
I think you'll pull top end because this car just with the it just has better top end. It's a bigger engine, and it has a downpipe. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but obviously with the wider piping, it releases a lot more pressure, so it has way less back pressure compared to my car. And
okay.
that's and then with the exhaust too, the exhaust is probably a lot more freer flowing, so you'll definitely have a better top end.
Right.
So it'll be fun.
All right, well, we'll see what happens. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.